Which AI model is right for you? Find out now with Chatemate. To log in directly, visit isolatedstudy.in, log in, enter your email and password, click on Submit, and you'll be instantly redirected to the Isolated Study portal dashboard. Once you're inside the Isolated Study portal dashboard, click on Isolated Study AI from the menu. Then select Chatemate, choose your preferred AI model, type your prompt, and hit Send to get your response instantly. Let's go through the powerful AI models available on Isolated Study one by one, along with what they're best used for. GPT models. 1. GPT 3.5 Turbo, best for casual queries and fast responses. 2. GPT 4.1, ideal for creative writing, essays and high-accuracy tasks. 3. GPT 4.1 Mini, a lightweight and fast GPT-4 variant. 4. GPT 4.5, most powerful OpenAI model for deep logic and analysis. 5. O4 Mini, compact model for quick and cost-effective tasks. 6. O3 Mini, snappy and efficient for fast replies. 7. O1, entry-level model for simple prompts and instant responses. Gemini models. 8. Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview, fast model with image and text understanding. 9. Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview, advanced reasoning with image support. 10. Gemini 2.5 Flash, lightweight and quick for visual tasks. 11. Gemini 1.5 Pro, earlier stable version with strong logic and visual input. Claude models. 12. Claude 3.5 Haiku, great for creative writing and summaries. 13. Claude 3 Haiku, ideal for storytelling and emails. 14. Claude 3.7 Sonnet, balanced model for complex tasks and writing. 15. Claude 3.5 Sonnet, high quality, model for educational content. 16. Claude 3 Sonnet delivers rich language output. 17. Claude 3 Opus, most advanced Claude for high-end tasks. Llama and Meta models. 18. Llama 3.3 70B versatile, balanced all-around performance. 19. Llama 3.1 8B instant, fast replies for basic tasks. 20. Llama Guard 3 8B for guardrails and moderation checks. 21. Llama 3 70B 8192, best for deep logic and long input handling. 22. Llama 3 8B 8192, efficient model for long context processing, specialized and lightweight models. 23. Gemma 2 9B IT, instructional generation by Google. 24. DeepSeek, excellent for coding and technical help. 25. Alibaba Cloud, ideal for business chat and content. 26. Qwen QWQ 32B, general purpose fast response. Model. 27. Compound Beta, fast generic experimental model. 28. Compound Beta Mini, lightweight version for small tasks. 29. SDAIA, Alum 2 7B, Arabic and general purpose support. Experimental and new, AI 30. Dolphin 3.0, smart, conversation-based responses. 31. Mistral 24B, versatile and fast for varied tasks. 32. GLM-Z1, best for instruction following. 33. GLM-4, handles logical reasoning and deep queries. 34. Ali AI, creative, intelligent answers for general use. 35. Deepcoder 14B, built for code generation and software help. 36. Moonshot AI, advanced assistant for deep context conversations. 37. Deep Hermes 3, ideal for dialogue and assistant-like tasks. 38. Reka AI, delivers advanced performance and smooth interaction. 39. Reka Flash 3, faster version of Reka with quick response. 40. Olympic Coder, specialized for programming and development. 41. Quirky AI, best for creative storytelling and writing. 42. Featherless, lightweight AI for everyday conversations. Please note, the available models may change over time based on platform updates. To see the latest list of supported models, visit isolatedstudy.in/DA pricing. If you need any help, feel free to contact our support team on WhatsApp at +917302693676 or email us at isolatedinfo@isolatedstudy.com.